Hey guys, welcome back to day 5 of IELTS vocabulary that we can use in writing task 2 as well as in our speaking. So let's get started. So the 25th is basic. Instead of basic we can write rudimentary, or we can write fundamental. Alright, so the 26th is impact. Instead of writing impact we can write influence. The 27th is leads. We can write paves the way. For example, we write the pollution leads to many problems. You can write the pollution paves the way to many problems. Alright. Alright. 28th is so. Instead of writing so, we can write thus or therefore. Because in writing task 2 many times we write so instead of writing so we can write therefore or thus. The 29th is but. Instead of writing but you can write nevertheless or nonetheless. I know we can write however, but however is very common. Mostly students write however, but. So instead of writing these common words you can write these words: nevertheless, nonetheless. When you want to go opposite from the given statement, so you can write nonetheless or nevertheless. Alright. So if you like these videos, do subscribe as well as share with your friends. Thank you.